Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and today we have a very fun haul to unbox. So DovEggs reached out to me, and they are a jewelry company, and they sell necklaces, earrings, rings, and all sorts of beautiful jewelry. They reached out to me and asked if they said that I could pick anything I wanted out of their catalog in return for my honest review. And so you guys know how I love jewelry, right? So you guys, I love jewelry. I love a lot of blingy jewelry. I put my blingy jewelry on for you guys. I just love my bling. So it was a very generous thing that they offered. So I picked what I picked out. I can't wait to show you. And I'm going to give you my honest review on it. And it's gorgeous. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how it came packaged, and I did pick a ring. And so it's Moissanite. So now I wanted to briefly talk about Moissanite. So I used to work, when I was going to college, back in the day, I worked at JCPenney, and that's when Moissanite was just coming out. And it was a huge deal. This was because it looks so much like a diamond. It's so beautiful. And I remember that we had this big event because Moissanite was just coming out, and it's a man-made stone. It looks like a diamond. So, and it was just so fun, and I'll remember that always. It's just something stuck out about the Moissanite, and that people were just oohing and awing over it. And it was in the it was in the I worked behind, like in the jewelry counter. I worked with the diamonds and the Moissanite and the sapphires and the emeralds. I worked with them all. So it's pretty cool that now I have a piece of Moissanite jewelry. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, so let me go ahead and show you how it came packaged, and then I will talk more about it. Okay, so it came in like 3 days, and that was really cool. It did come, they take really a lot of pride in their packaging, because this came in a actual cardboard box, and then the box was like sealed with plastic, and then this was even sealed with plastic around this. This was sealed, and inside the ring, when I opened it up, it was sealed with plastic. Like, they take such good care in the shipping process, and they just want nothing to be thrown around. Like, they want everything like nice and tight, you know what I mean, like in the packaging. So anyway, so they also included in the packaging, they included a actual gift bag. So because what I chose is an engagement ring. So even though I'm married, you guys know that, this engagement ring blew my socks off. It's so beautiful. So anyway, they did send this. So in case, let's say I was trying to propose to somebody, they gave me a bag. So a beautiful little bag. So I can always, so it was just like that. There you go, DovEggs. It's got their little emblem on it. And it's like a navy blue bag with like a cute little roping. I hope you can see that very well. So yeah, so I have that. Then they also included a bunch of little goodies. So what it is here is they sent a little brochure talking more about what they offer and some of their pieces of jewelry they have. So there you go. And they're located in Seattle, you guys. So Seattle, Washington. And so there's that. And then they also have the back. Here is their, I'm going to just show you really quick in the camera. Here is their information. I'll also include in my description box their information to their website. That'll take you right to their website. And here's the just really quick little snippet of their phone number and everything right there. Right there in the bottom of the brochure. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and we're almost there. I'm almost ready to show you what I got. I'm so excited. They also sent a jewelry polishing cloth. So that was great. So I can keep my rings sparkly and beautiful. So they sent me that. And I'll go ahead and show you. It's just a gray little cloth in there. And then they sent me a couple little, this one is the service card. They sent me a service card for my ring. And they also sent me a certificate of authenticity and lifetime brilliance warranty. So they sent me that as well. And then they also sent me a really cool ring size sizer for future. So if I'm gonna, you know, buy more, then I have the ring sizer right there. So what happened was, I'm laughing at myself because I ordered the wrong size, and this would have been really nice. Like, these are great to have on hand is what I'm trying to say, because what I bought it for this, or I didn't buy it. They sent it to me for my review. I wanted it for my ring finger, right? But it's a little too big. I could wear it, but it actually fits bigger on my other finger. So next time, now I have this. So, their sizing's accurate. It's just, I was just guessing what ring size I was. Because I only, you know, you guys know that, like, I, buy all different types of rings for all of my fingers. And it's been years since I've actually had my ring finger measured. So I have forgotten. So I just guessed, and I was really close, but not quite. So anyways, all right, so let's go ahead and get into the beautiful piece of jewelry they sent me. So here's the box again, right there. Just like this. It came just like this. Then I'm going to show you this. It's going to just like knock your socks off. Okay, let me just go ahead and open it. So, okay, there it is, the jewelry box. So it's really pretty with the little gold like filigree around it. And let me go ahead and take it out. So what I love about this, you guys, is it has a beautiful, you see that little like crystal there? It's like an extra little, you know, special thing for this box that kind of just makes it stand out. And so this would be a great little engagement ring box if I were to be proposing. So anyways, but so you just push this little button here, this little crystal here, and it opens up. You guys ready? All right. So this is what I chose. All right, let me go ahead and let it sit there for a minute and let the camera take in all its beauty. It's a 1.5 carat Moissanite engagement. It's a vintage engagement ring. So I got the platinum plated sterling, but it comes in different metals. You can choose like 14 karat gold, 10 karat gold, I believe, and this is a white gold and yellow gold. You'll see yellow and white gold, and it's just so beautiful, you guys. So yes. So let me just show you again for like wow factor. So there it is. And there you go. So isn't it gorgeous? So I hope the camera's picking up the light on this beautiful, beautiful ring. So this particular ring, I asked, because there's, like I said, you can kind of, when you go on the website, you'll see that you can choose carat size, you can choose metals that you want, and this particular one costs retail $319. So I asked how much so that I could let you guys know how much exactly this one would be if you were to purchase this one. So, all right, so let me go ahead and show you. So here it is again. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. What I love so much about it is when I saw it, I didn't even read the description, but it said vintage engagement ring. And I knew, what you guys know, I love my Victorian looking jewelry. I love the Victorian era. And this totally reminds me of something that would have been worn by a woman back in the Victorian era. Because if you can see the detail, I know it's kind of hard because I have I don't have it quite in front of the camera well enough. I don't know if you can see it, but do you see how it has like a like filigree, and it's got little tiny moissanite little three sides around it. It even has it, do you see the front of it? And it sits up kind of like on a like a circular, well obviously it's circular, but like a pedestal of like more gorgeous like filigree type thing. Oh my gosh, and it's more moissanite. It's just so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And I'm going to put it on so you guys can actually see what it looks like on. And I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on my ring finger. So there it is, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I love it so, so much. So I'm going to keep it still. I'm going to move just a little bit so you can see the light hit the moissanite in the middle, the big old stone there, the 1.5 carat. But yeah, so it just is so pretty, and it's lightweight. It does not feel heavy on me at all. I could wear it on this finger. I could buy one of those extenders in the back that makes it smaller for me. But you know, in the summertime when I'm speaking for myself, like my fingers kind of swell in the heat. This may fit me better in the summertime because we still have colder weather right now. But so I may not even need the adjuster, to make it smaller. But it's so pretty. And it was so kind of DovEggs to send this to me. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go ahead and what I wanted to do is I'm going to put it on the this finger right here, my middle finger right here, because I want to show you what it looks like in comparison to my actual wedding ring. So you can see the Moissanite ring versus a real diamond. And the Moissanite is actually, they look identical. You wouldn't, like walking down the street, if I didn't tell you, I don't think you would know. I don't think anybody would know that this is not a real diamond. Okay, so the one on my ring finger is my wedding ring. Again, so there is the two compared to each other. So there you go to the side, and you can see the height of it. You can see the height of it. You see that? And my diamond is like the clearest diamond that you can get. And I don't mean that as like I'm bragging at all, but I wanted you to know that so that you can see the difference in it's the clarity. Like I forget how they rate it for diamonds, but like it actually my diamond has like a serial number inside of it. So that because it's a special diamond. So that's how the Moissanite is actually looks a little bit shinier than, they are like pretty much, they're pretty much spot on that I'm looking at it. As far as they're twinning. These little diamonds are they're not little, but they're just beautiful. See that? And you see that? I know that. I'm not the best hand model, but I just want to show you for comparison how it looks. My wedding ring versus the Moissanite. And doesn't it look so vintage? The DovEggs one, it just looks so vintage on me. And like I said, it looks like an heirloom, like was passed down from my great grandmother. I just adore it. Like how pretty is that, right? Like just to be like wearing it around town, and it's just a gorgeous piece, gorgeous. So, like I said, this one is the antique one. I forget the actual name of it, but I will put that in the description box. It does say antique something. I forget the actual name of it, but it's an engagement ring too. It says antique and engagement ring, and it has at the bottom like a little bit of a slip of gold around the bottom. Like it's like sitting on like a little bit of a two-tone. Like it's got like a gold at the base of it. So I'm seeing two things, the gold and the silver, or the white gold. And actually this one's platinum silver, she said. But also you can have engraved on the inside of the ring, like I love you or whatever you want on the inside of the ring. So you can also add that to the ring as well. So, oops, it's slipping. So it's a lot of customizations you can do at DovEggs. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you again. I don't want to take this off. I don't want to end this video because it's so pretty. I just want to keep looking at it. But anyways, I hope that you guys are able to see well enough with this camera how pretty and how sparkly it really, really is. Maybe if I'm going to go closer for you guys. Maybe that'll help. That might help a little bit more right there. Right there. It's just so pretty, right? It works. It's so pretty. So anyways, I'm so thankful for it, like I said, and I will definitely wear it. You will see in upcoming videos, I will wear this a lot. Like I said, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on. Like it feels like real lightweight. In fact, let me try my wedding ring on. I think my wedding ring feels heavier. Let's see. My wedding ring feels... Yeah, my wedding ring feels heavier. So, but yeah, guys, so that is my unboxing, my review of DovEggs. Thank you, DovEggs, for reaching out to me. I love this ring so much. It's so gorgeous. Can't stop looking at it. It's just really beautiful. It's just so cool that I own Moissanite now, like I said, because it's like, I remember when they first came out, when the Moissanite was first... and it has actually been more than 10, was it about 10 years? No, maybe more than 10 years ago, because it came out right around when my husband and I first got married, which would be almost 15 years ago. So I think Moissanite's been out for 15 years at least, maybe 14, 15 years. But you guys, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous ring. So yes, you guys. So that's it for the DovEggs haul. Or unboxing, not haul. Well, it is a haul, but it's an unboxing review. Again, I will put the description, or I'll put their website right below me in the description box. So if you want a little shortcut to head over to DovEggs to check out what they have some beautiful earrings and necklaces that I got my eyes on. But yeah, really beautiful pieces of jewelry. So anyways, guys, yes. So that is it. So I hope you all are doing well. And let me know in the comments below what you think. I would love to hear your feedback. Like I said, they thought of it all. This cute little baggie. I'm sure that this would look... Isn't that cute, you guys? Like, can you imagine some like tissue paper, like for an engagement? Oh, so cute. But yes, so that is it for this haul, but it's gorgeous, right? And I'm so excited. So again, thank you, DovEggs, so much for reaching out to me. I truly appreciate it. And you guys were super kind in replying. We were replying back and forth to each other. They were super kind and professional to me. And I really appreciate them just being so generous in offering me this. So anyways, everybody have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And I will see you tomorrow with my next haul. All right. So till next time, everybody, take care. God bless. And I'll see you soon. Bye.